Hey Saber Forum, my name is Krea. I've created a few sound fonts on the website, but I have not made any videos, so this is my first video. And it's going to be of one of the sounds I made called Dwarven Forge. I apologize in advance because this video might not be the greatest, mainly because I'm doing an integrated webcam and an integrated mic on my laptop, so yeah. Anyways, back to the sound font. The font has 12 swings, 12 clashes, one mock-up, a power on, power off, a hum, and a boot, which I will be able to show you because I have the V4 Obsidian soundboard. So, anyways, with that, power on. So, mainly what you're hearing is I went for the sound of what you would hear in Dwarven mines, like your gears, your chains moving, and your forges humming with the occasional steam sound, like what you just hear there. So, I have the 12 swings, so hopefully I'll put them all in order. That one is a little low, you might not be able to hear so well. I'm hitting so many things in this room right now. So, I made those sounds from sounds of bellows, and I hope that I can be heard over this. You've got your clashes, which are hammer hits. Hopefully I can play all the 12. It does not like to play the first one as much. My saber doesn't. So, now it's just I guess I won't play for it. Anyways. Yeah. I searched all over the internet for sounds like that. I even pulled 2 from The Hobbit. Like, scene where the 2 hammers come together, where the dwarf just holds up the piece of metal and they collide on it. And then it played the other one, but it won't play that. That's number 1. And you got your lockup, which is the sound of a grindstone with an axe on it. I apologize if this is not the most unified sound font out there, because it doesn't 100% loop correctly and whatnot. was very hard to even find all the sounds, and it's even harder for me to try and get them to work. So, I know there's some videos out there. I tried that on this one. It did not work. So, and power up. You got your sword being dipped in water. And that is Dwarven Forge. Oh wait, I forgot the boot! And yes, it's a little phrase. My friend, who I thought of when I made this, it's his voice. Pitch has changed some, but yeah, he did it. He wanted to, and plus he likes to do Dwarven voices, so.
Weaponsmithing and monster smashing is work of that of a true dwarf.
Yeah, he's really happy with this font, so yeah. I had fun making it, and I will do more of my reviews of my other sounds. Hopefully I can get better at this video review thing. Not stutter so much or...
Cancel.
Okay. Didn't know I did that. Anyways. I will see you all later. Have fun savoring.